Hi, welcome back. Today we're focusing on working through your deep core muscles or your transverse abdominus muscles, as well as your obliques, which is the side muscles of your core. These muscles are really important to rehab after pregnancy so that you can restore proper function and physical appearance to that area of your body. So grab your mat, no special props are needed, and we'll jump straight into it, starting on our hands and knees. We're just going to come into some dolphin pulses. So I need you to bring your knees as wide as your hips. Hips and knees are aligned. And then just bring your forearms down onto the ground. You're going to just grab hold of your elbows for a moment. That just lets you know that your arms are as wide as they should be. And then make a fist with your hands. So your arms should be in a triangle shape. Tuck your toes. Take a breath in here. And now as you exhale, you're going to draw up through your pelvic floor, draw your navel in, wrap your TVA muscles in, so you're drawing in like a corset, and we're going to lift the tailbone up towards the sky. Press your heels down towards your mat, and your chest is moving towards your legs. And take a few deep diaphragmatic breaths in and out here through your nose if you can. As you exhale, you should feel your belly drawing in, almost like a vacuum when you're in this position, sucking in. Take one more breath in. And now as you exhale, engage through your core muscles again, and we're lowering with control slowly down back to your mat. Do that again, breath in. And as you exhale, we're engaging everything and we're coming back up. Breath in, breath out. Breath in, we expand. Breath out, you contract, you draw your navel in. Take another breath in, and then down you come to your mat. Let's come up again. Breath in, and then making your way up. We're going to move through some fast dolphin pulses now. So I'll talk you through the first two, and then I'll get you to do some in your own time. Take a breath in. Now as you exhale, we engage through our core again, and you're coming down, but your knees are hovering an inch off the mat. Lift back up on that same exhale. Breath in. Exhale, engage. We're coming down, hovering. You got it. And back up. Okay, go ahead and do 5 now on your own time with your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and carefully down you come. Just make your way up, shake your arms out a little bit. And release, nice. Now just coming on to your hands and knees here. Actually, I'm going to stay this way. And bringing your right arm up into the air, we're taking a nice twist, really engaging, drawing in through your core as we take this twist. And then thread your arm through as far as you can. Rest your shoulder and the side of your head down on your mat. Press this left hand into your mat, and you're going to get a nice stretch through the side of your body. Now we're coming back up. Reaching up, twisting, core is activated. And then we're threading through just for a minute. And we're coming back up. And through. Back up. And through. One more, back up. And through. And we're going to rest down here for 5 breaths. Really getting that twist, that nice twist through your spine. Through your core. And then coming back up, we're going to do the other side. Reach your left arm up, drawing in through your core, opening through your chest. And then we're threading that arm through, stretching it, lengthening it through. Coming back up, opening. Threading it through. Opening, reaching up. threading through. Reaching up. This one we're going to keep it there, holding it in this nice deep twist here. And making your way back up, staying on your hands and knees. And then we're going to just lift your knee up and out. So take a breath in here. And now as you exhale, I want you to really hug in so your core is really strong and activated. We're going to lift the knee up and bring it down. So it's staying off the mat here. Up and down. Keep your foot flexed and activated. Up and down. Up and down. We've got 6 more, making sure that your belly doesn't start to kind of hang loose, letting gravity draw you down. You want to stay really hugged in here. 1, 4 more. 2, 3, 4, and release. Other side. 1, 2, hugging in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and release. Nice work. Take a few circles, just shaking out through your hips, releasing for a moment. Now I'm going to get you to tuck your toes under, and we're going to come up into a downward facing dog. You can just walk it out a little bit, stretching through the backs of your legs, pressing your hands down into your mat. We're not staying here in down dog. I'm going to get you to step this right foot forwards between your hands, so right next to your right hand. Pressing down through your left hand, grounding through your feet. We're going to twist and open now to the right. Beautiful. Hand coming back to the inside of the right foot now. Take a breath in. And exhale, we're hugging into the center line, navel drawing in, taking that beautiful twist. If it's too much, drop your knee down to the ground. You're doing the same movement, but with a bit more support. Hand to the inside of the foot, breath in. And opening twist. You've got 2 more. Step back, downward facing dog. Other side, step your left foot forwards now. Grounding through your feet. Your right hand is pressing down now. Take a breath in. Then we're going to take that beautiful opening, reaching here, everyone. Hand coming down. Breath in. Exhale, hugging in, we open. Coming down. Breath in. Exhale, so we move on the exhale with engagement. You got 1 more. Opening, beautiful work. Bringing your hand down, come down onto your knees and just release out of that position. So now I'm going to get you to bring your right knee onto your mat. Come onto your fingertips of your right hand and we're going to stretch the left leg out. You can bring your hand onto your hip. Take a breath in. Then as you exhale, we're hugging in, foot is flexed, and you're just going to lift your leg up. Drop it down. Up, drop it down. Up, drop it down. Let's go for 6 more. Four, 5, 6, and release. Nice work. Switch on over to the other side. Breath in and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and release. Come on over onto your side now. Just making sure that shoulder and elbow are aligned. We're going to stay with this bottom leg bent and you're going to stretch out your top leg. Take an inhale here, an expansive inhale. Now as you exhale, remember you're drawing in, activated. We're going to lift the hips up here. Reaching your arm up, take a breath in. Then you're going to twist, take the arm through. Reaching up, breath in. Engage, exhale, twist. And through, breath in. Twist. Nice work. For 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel those obliques working. 5. One more. 6. Great work. Lower yourself down. Switch on over. Let's do the other leg. Just setting yourself up. Taking your breath in. And then up we come. Reaching your arm up. Breath in. Exhale, we hug in. We take that arm through for the twist. Four more. Hips high. Keep those hips high. Got one more. And down you come. We're going to switch on over to the right side again, just doing one more exercise for our obliques here. So just setting your arm up as you do. Then I'm going to get you to lift up like this. Then you're going to open and close. Open and close. Hugging in, lifting through the hips for 1. We've got 8 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down you come. Switch on over. Lifting yourself up. And 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down you come. Nice work. Now just come to sit on your bum with your legs stretched out. You want your legs as wide as your hips here, so there's going to be some space between your feet. Now bring your hands behind you with your fingertips facing forwards. Now you want your arms, you want your shoulders, elbows and wrists to be pretty much in line. So for me, that means they're right by my hips, my hands are. Now take a breath in. As you exhale, I want you to draw in through your core, hugging the corset muscles in. You're going to press through your hands. You're going to lift yourself up, come up onto your feet. We're going to lift the hips up into bridge. And then on that same exhale, you're swinging back through. Then you reset, you take your breath in. And exhale, we hug in, we lift up into that nice bridge. We're just going to keep the chin tucked to the chest here rather than dropping the head back. Take a breath in. Exhale, we hug in, so we're moving with a whole lot of control, activation. You got it. We're going to move a bit faster now for 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice work. And we're going to come lie down on our backs now. So just come to your side to get down onto your back. Now I'm going to get you to bring your right ankle above your left knee like this. The foot is flexed and your knee is drawing out towards the side. Hands are down by your sides here. You can take the arms away from you. And what we're going to do is just lift up into bridge. So take a breath in. Then you're going to press through your left foot and we're going to lift up through the hips as high as you can. Keep that knee dropping so you're getting a nice opening in your hip here. Hips high and down. Hips high and down. Hips high and down. You got it for 1, 2, 3, 4, almost there, 2 more, 5, 6, and release. Switch on over, other leg. Foot flex, knee out to the side. Take a breath in. Now we flatten our back, we roll up into bridge. We drop it down and up and down and up and down. You got 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and release. Hug your knees into your chest for a moment. Rock a little from side to side. And then we're going to take happy baby, grabbing the outer edges of your feet. Draw your knees out wide. You can rock a little bit if that feels good. As much as you can, press the whole of your back down into your mat. Take a few breaths here, slowing your breath down. And then release. Roll over onto your side. Bring yourself to sit up. We're going to just take a stretch for the side muscles because we worked a lot through those. So just stretch out your left leg. Right leg is bent. Slide your left arm down your leg. We're going to reach up and over towards the foot. Stretching, lengthening here through your side. And switch on over to the other side. Drawing up tall, we're going to reach and stretch over. And finishing in a butterfly. So feet together, knees apart. Sit up nice and tall, chest lifted. Take a breath in. And then let's just move forwards a little. Head can drop down, feeling that stretch in your hips. And make your way up. Thank you so much for joining class today. I really hope it helps. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment. I'll see you for the next video. Have a really wonderful day. Bye.